Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. I'm your maths teacher Zainab, and we were studying chapter number 3, fraction, and we have already started the exercise 3C. First, I will give you a quick review about fraction. So, what is fraction? Fraction comprises of numerator and denominator. So, upper part of this line is known as numerator and the lower part is known as a denominator. Fractions are divided into two portions, proper and improper. Proper means our numerator is smaller and the denominator is larger. Whereas in improper, our numerator is the larger and denominator is smaller. So, what we have done to change this improper fraction to proper fraction, we convert that improper fraction into a mixed fraction. How we have converted that? We divide this fraction. So, the dividend, as I did it before, so our fraction was 7/4. How I change into mixed fraction? I divided 7 by 4. So, as you see, 4 ones are 4 and we're left with remainder 3. How we change this division form into a mixed fraction? We have to write a quotient as a whole number and remainder as a numerator and dividend as a denominator. So next, we move to multiplication and the division of fraction. In multiplication, as you see, I have already written these two fractions. So in multiplication, we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Let's see, 3 multiplied by 5 over 4 multiplied by 3. It's 15 over 12. Now, see, is it in its lowest form? It's not. इसको हम लोग को lowest form में convert करना होता. How? We will see कि क्या ये दोनों number एक ही table पर divisible है. Let's see. I think it is divisible by 3. So I will divide 15 by 3 and then 12 by 3. Numerator और denominator को same number से divide करते हैं. Next, when we divide 15 by 3, we will have 5 and 12 by 3 we will have 4. So this is our answer. Next, come to the division. In division, what we do, we change this division sign into multiplication. First, then we change denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. How? We will write it 9 over 15. Then we repeat the same procedure as we did it in the multiplication. Before that, we can change these fraction into lowest form. So I will cut 3 by 1 and I cut 3 and 9 with 3 and then we can cut 5 and 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and we will left with just 1. So we will do real life story sum at page number 57. Last week we have already done with 3 questions. So now we will start question number 4. So in question number 4, they have said a piece of a ribbon is 5 whole 3 by 2 meter long. If it is cut into 14 equal parts, how will each pieces be? इसमें he want to say they have go to a market and they buy a full-fledged ribbon और उसको 14 equal pieces में cut किया है. जो पूरा ribbon है उसकी हमारे पास length है 5 whole 3 by 5 meter. उसको हम लोगों ने 14 piece में cut करना है. That's mean we have to divide that ribbon. So first let me start the question. So first we have to tell what is the length of the whole ribbon. So the length of the whole ribbon is 5 whole 3 by 5 meter. Next, how many pieces they have done? They have done 14 pieces of that full-fledged ribbon. So now we have to divide this ribbon by the number of the ribbons. So length of the ribbon is 5 whole 3 by 5 meter divided by 14. So this whole ribbon is divided into 14 pieces. Now first we'll change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. How? 5 5s are 25 and 25 plus 3 we have 28 over 5. So now we will write divide as it is and 14. Next, what we will do, we will change the divide sign into multiplication and we will take the reciprocal of this 14. So 28 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 14. So as I told you before multiplying, we will change into the lowest form. So we will cut 14, 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So we will left with 2 over 5. So length of each ribbon is 2 over 5 of the meter. Now we will come to question number 5. In question number 5, he said he baked 1 cupcake in 1 over 4th of an hour. Mean he divide 1 hour into 4th part. And next he said how many cupcake he will bake in 1.5 an hour. So he want to say that 1 cupcake is baked in 1 over 4th of an hour, yani 4th part of an hour. In very next he said that how many cupcake he will bake in 1 whole 1 over half of an hour. So for this we will divide 1 whole 1 over 2 of an hour by 1 over 4th of an hour, and we will get the number of cake he had baked. So how we will divide? We will write 1 whole 1 over 2 of an hour divided by 1 over 4th. First we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 over 2, and we will written divide as it is and 1 over 4 as it is. Now we will change division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal of 1 over 4. 3 over 2 will be written as it is, divide will change into multiply, and 4 will come into the numerator and 1 will come into the denominator. So before multiplying we will see is there any cutting happening or not. If not, we will directdirectly multiply. Agar ho rahi hai to then we will cut it first. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we will left with 3 multiplied by 2, and that is equal to 2 3s are 6 cupcakes. So in 1.5 an hour he baked 6 cupcakes. For now we are done, and hopefully you will understand the concept.